Hi, this is John with Berger Motorsports, and today we're going to be previewing the JB4 mobile app for the C63 AMG application. And you can see we've got the phone mounted here with our magnetic mount. We found this is a good location. You just have a little metal disc on the back of the phone and you can pop it up there, but you can use any mount you want or no mount at all. And so here's some of the live data that you see on the JB4 mobile screen. You can just, if you want, you can change the parameters by pressing and holding. Here I'm going to put the map up. You can see we're in map 1. And if you want to change that, one of the nice things with the mobile app when you put map is you can just double tap that. I can switch to map 2 or back to map 1, and it's pretty quick to switch between them. And here we've got, as you see, we've got the live data, but one of the other things you can do is you can actually do data logging. And so one of the features of the app is it will automatically log when you're at full throttle. That's one of the selections that you can make. And right now I've got it set to log for 3 seconds. So you'll see here I'm going to just quickly go to full throttle. It'll start to log. So it's starting to log, and then it'll automatically stop after a few seconds of you no longer being at full throttle. So in this case I have it set to 3 seconds, but that's an adjustable parameter. And here on the settings page you would find those kind of settings. Here's the logging. Here we've got another nice feature, a shift indicator, and this will flash the phone screen when you've reached a specific RPM. Some of the other features of the JB4 are code reading, and here I'm going to just do a quick code read. And you can also delete codes, but it looks like no codes found, and that's good. And some of the other features of the JB4 are there's some adjustable user settings. These will come into play more in the future when we add additional features and show you how you can custom tune your C63. And so in the future some of these parameters will be adjustable. Here we can just see the current firmware versions. That information is available here in that section of the app. And we're also planning in the future on adding meth integration. So here, that would be here on the WMI tab, which is water meth injection. This is going to be where you're going to put that information in when that happens. Okay, and I'm going to just give you a little preview of what it looks like when you do some logging. So I've got a real short track here, so forgive me. This is going to be pretty short. Okay, so it looks like we've got some saved data. So with the app, not only can you record the data, but you can also view it. So if I go here under logs and I look at this one here and I go to graph, I can take a look at the data that I've just recorded. And so we've got various parameters here you can look through. You can also email these. If you go to again here, you can select to email it. So if you wanted to email it to our support staff, you could do that. But here on the graph, you can actually pick the particular parameters you want to view. Now all of them are going to be recorded by default, so all of those are going to come up in the log, and for the purpose of display, you can just do that information and then view what is relevant to what you're trying to determine. So it's a good way to do some diagnostics and see how things are going. So that information is available. And so that's just a quick preview of the information that's available in the app. And we'll be making more videos and releasing more features. So keep an eye on our website and on our forum for more information. Thanks.